Hey guys, it's me Abby, and today I'm going to be doing more squishy collections. Now I am getting a bigger and bigger squishy collection. So let's get started. So the first one we have is not really my favorite. Hang on, I left one somewhere. Here's from back. So the first one is my cookie. This one is really cute. I like it. It has pink sun glasses, pink glasses I meant. It's super squishy, not really slow rising. So yeah, this is my favorite. It's a panda bun. It's blue, has a pink bow. This is my ice cream cone. And this one I love because it leaves the finger marks. If you're new to my channel, I love when it has the finger marks. And also shout out to Autumn White. Pineapple with sunglasses. I can't believe I forgot that. Cuddly onesie. I'm just gonna call that. I have two of them. So I'm just gonna get both of them. Two cuddly onesies. Cupcake. Very hard. Probably glad I didn't even have it because I can. This doesn't really count. I think this does count in the squishy because it is squishy. So next is this emoji hard eye. This is one of my other favorite ones. I think this is a husky. So the next one, I actually have two of these too. My two milk squishies. Here's the bad one that I had first, but I lost and then I found it again. Here's the one that I got after I lost that one. Kate. Burger bun. Not really slicing, but very squishy. Panda bun. Tiny panda bun. Glazed donut. Heart cookie brownie sandwich, I'm guessing. I bloom strawberry. Very squishy. Not really so rising, but I don't care. Cinnamon roll. Nice blue frosting, as you can see. Kind of looks glow in the dark. Unicorn. Cookie sandwich, another one. It did have a filling on top right here, but it fell off. Roll. This is one of the ones I hate. With the burger. Okay, let me tell you about this one. This one is my all-time fifth favorite, I'm guessing. Because first we have the crust, which is hard, squishy. Then we have the filling, which is like a normal squishy. Then we have the whipped cream, I'm guessing. No, this is whipped cream. Then we have the real chocolate part on it. And it's very squishy. Then we have the whipped cream, which is very squishy. Chocolate chips, very squishy. That's one of my favorites about my squishy. This squishy. Hello Kitty burger. Bunny. Egg. Last but not least, donut. So all my squishies are right here. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to Autumn White and shout out I don't know. Just bye, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on my channel post notifications. Bye. Love you.